Hey, hi, hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you people are doing great, fantastic, like fit as fiddle in your life. So, my dear friends, I came here on my YouTube channel once again. I am recording this video for my YouTube channel just for your help. Yes, you heard right. Just for your help. And like the purpose is like I wanted to make one video for your help. Yes, my dear friend, I wanted to make one video for you. And the video is something about how we can start our English journey. And you all are know that we are familiar with English since our childhood, but nowadays sometimes we are not able to speak this language very well. And do you know that what's the actual reason behind it? And my dear friends, I found one reason behind it, and the exact reason is practice. Yes, you heard right. Practice is the most important thing. Yes, practice is the most important thing for learning any kind of language. It will be English language, it will be Hindi language, it will be German language, it will be Chinese language. So if we are not practicing on daily basis, if we are not following consistency on daily basis, so we are not able to speak this language with fluent. Yes, you heard right. We cannot speak this language. Yes. So we can do one thing for our English, and again, I found some people they are familiar with their English since childhood. I met two people. I met some people on different kind of applications like peer up application, like Fluency application, like HelloTalk application. But I found there, they are not able to speak fluent English. Why? And I asked to them about their reason, and they told me the reason behind practice. The reason behind it, practice. They are following English language since their childhood, but not able to speak fluent English. Why? Because of practice. And I suggest to them you can start practice on daily basis. You can do mirror practice, you can do shadowing practice for your English. Yes, you heard right. So again, coming to my point, I wanted to share something new. It means English language, how we can start our English journey. So yes, there is no any rocket science, there is no any kind of rocket science behind it. Like we can't be a fluent within a one day or 1 week. But if we follow consistency on a regular basis, if we practice on regular basis, at that time we will be able to fluent English speaker. Yes. And do you know that I am also beginner, and I also started my own journey on YouTube channel, and you know that, right? So my friend, I just want to say that you can practice on regular basis, and you can follow four pillars like listening, speaking, third one is writing, and fourth one is reading. Yes. And let me explain four pillars for you. Why listening is important? Just ask question to yourself, why listening is important. This, in my opinion, listening is very important for the speaking, for the learning this English language. Yes, you heard right. Listening is important. Before speaking, we have to become active listener. Yes. And also if you are searching some videos for speaking this language, and I know that you have found some kind of videos like some YouTubers are sharing their journey with all of you, and they are also YouTuber also following four pillars of English: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. So we can start from listening. We have to we have to become active listener, and because while listening is important for pronunciation, listening is important for getting new words, getting new idioms, and we can follow some YouTubers. We can watch their solo videos, we can watch their long videos, we can watch their conversational videos, and with the help of conversational videos we can find new words. Yes, we can find new words, we can find new idioms from their videos. And second thing is that speaking. After listening part, we have to focus on speaking part, and it doesn't matter which kind of mistakes are you making in your video at the time of recording video. It doesn't matter. So listening and after that speaking is important. With the help of speaking we can train our mouth muscle. Yes, we can train our mouth muscle. And why we should train our mouth muscle? Do you know that we are familiar with English since our childhood, but now we are not able to speak very well English. We are not able to speak fluent English. We are not able to communicate with people. Why? But we are familiar with English language since our childhood. Yes, right. We are familiar with English language since our childhood, but we never ever train our mouth muscle. Yes, but we never ever train our mouth muscle, and because of that we are not able to speak English language. Yes, because of that we are not able to speak, we are not able to communicate with people. So we have to focus on listening, we have to focus on speaking, and it doesn't matter which kind of mistakes are you making in your recorded video, or it doesn't matter. Yes, don't focus on that kind of mistakes, because we are learning by our mistakes. Yes, we are learning by our mistakes, we are learning through our mistakes. So it doesn't matter at initial days, no need to focus on our mistakes, which kind of mistake we are making. Okay, and third thing is that writing. Why writing is important? Do you know that? Just ask to yourself why writing is important. If suppose I want to start my YouTube channel, I want to make any kind of content for my YouTube channel, but before making that kind of video, before making that kind of video, I have to focus on writing part. Yes, I have to focus on writing part. Before I will, if I want to create one video for my YouTube channel, at that time I will focus on writing part. Yes, I will focus on writing part. If suppose I have one content in my mind, but I am not able to express, yes, but I am not able to express in my video. Okay, so for that reason, first I will write it down in my notebook, I will work on it, and after that I will try to take that content in my video. Okay, for recording video. For that reason we have to focus on writing part, and after that reading. Yes, it is also important part, it is also important pillar for learning this language. Yes, my dear friend, you heard right. Reading is important for pronunciation, like how we are pronouncing any kind of word. It will be hard word, it will be simple word, and for reading we can take help of, I forget that word. Just wait. You can take help of, actually I am forgetting that word, but don't worry about it. But yes, we can read anything. We can read our book, we can read a newspaper, we can read some extra books, we can read this book also. Okay, so reading also important. And my dear friends, don't focus on my mistakes, because it's really hard. Yes, it's really hard to make this kind of video for you. And if you are not thinking if you are thinking like video making is not difficult task, then you can try, and let me in comment section. Is it really simple, or is it really easy, or is it really hard to make this kind of video? So I'm just making this video for you, and if you found this video helpful, then just do like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So at the last, I just want to say that thank you for listening, thank you for watching till the end, and I will meet in new video. So bye bye, take care, thank you.